Alaira by Ellington Ceiling Fans. With its sleek lines and distinctively modern design, the 54-inch Alaira makes a bold and refreshing statement in any home or office setting. The angled blades, reversible from dark walnut to flat black, offer a dramatic contrast to the housing's bright polished nickel surfaces, while an integrated dimmable LED light fixture finished in frosted glass completes the picture beautifully. To see more fans like the Alaira, visit our website at craftmadebrands.com.